I have these earbuds, and this is Xiaomi ones, A10s. You can see the model. The problem is that they are not charging like if I wanted to. Let me just open it and show you. This is what we have in the box: the cable and this earbuds. So I have this earbuds, and somehow they are not charging. Even if I connect the charger, they are still not charging. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I have this cable. On the bottom there is a USB port. This one. There's a small micro port here. As you can see, it's not showing any charging. I have like this plenty lying around, so I need to fix these ones. So let's see what's wrong with it, because this base is not charging, because I fixed the other one. I have this one wasn't charging either, so what I did is fix them. Now 85% is charged. It's charging this one, it's charging this one as well. Like, see, it's charging both of them. And the red light is here, red light on, here the red light on. So what I did is actually tint those pads, because they were not making any contact with these pogo pins. So what I did is just tint them on the both sides, so now they are charging themselves. Very good. So exactly the same thing I'm gonna do this with this one. I have 10 pieces lying around, so I have to fix them all. I have this one again, another piece. So this one comes out, no problem. When I connect with the charging, it says 0%, but these two are not charging at all. So I will try to tint these pads and check it whether it's charging or not, but I do need to charge this case, because this charging case has a battery inside it. Right now it's 0%, but it's charging. Let's see it's going up or not. But what I have to do is to open this air dot, take out the battery, remove the battery, and boost the battery, and put external charger on it, so that I can charge the battery. So then when I will put it in the box, it will start charging. Okay, so let me put this aside, because it's right now it's charging. I'll put it here. I have this tweezers. There is a small hole for the mic. I will just put it inside and try to open it, and it just come off like this. This is the Bluetooth and micro circuit, like a logic board, and I will just remove it from the 4 pillars around it. Yes, there is a battery. Okay, here's the battery. So what I will do is to remove this battery first, and then I will charge it. Let me remove this battery. Okay, I have a power supply. I have set the voltages to 4.20, and the current is 500 milliamps. I think this battery is 100 milliamps or maybe 50, just to be, it's a little bit over. but it's not gonna blow up this battery. So I'm gonna connect with the negative wire with the negative and the positive one with the positive one, and it will start charging. It will just take a minute to charge it because this battery is very small. In a minute it will charge 100%. I will put back in the air dot, and I will put this air dot into the charging base. Meanwhile, I can show you that this charging base is now 2%. Before it was no 3%. Before it was 0. So the base is charging. Well, that's enough. Let's connect this back to the base. Let me put a little bit flux. This is Mechanic Flux. Mechanic is a company, and our friends, good old friend, this tweezer will help us to make the soldering joint because they're very thin wires of the battery. That's good. Let me check the other wire. Bring it down here. Yeah, the solid connections. Pretty good one. Let's put this battery inside. I need to pack it, battery at the bottom and this circuit on top. As you can see, the lights are turned on, so that means the battery is charged pretty well. Yeah, now we'll close this lid. The air dot is closed pretty well. Let me put it in the case and let's see it's charging or not. What I will do is to tint these pads so that it can work like charge like a charm. Or I did this, but I can wipe it off with some alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, or you can just use the solder wire, dip it in the soldering flux a little bit, and this is the soldering flux on the wire, and I will just tint these pads. Let's do this one and this one as well. I will just clean this one and come back. It's pretty clean and shiny. Let's put back in the case. This is the case. Moment of truth. Is it making contact? No. I do have to make sure that it's making contact with this. Let's check the voltage is coming to this pogo pins or not. I have a multimeter. I'm gonna check the voltages. Yes, the voltage is coming. I need to put back inside. Check whether it's working or not. So let's tint these adds a little bit more. Need to like make a little bit balls on it. Maybe inside the battery is still not fully charged. I need to open it again to check whether the battery has some power or not, because it's went off and didn't come on again. So let me check again. There is no current in the battery. I need to charge this battery again. Let me remove this battery again and charge it. I'm going to do this. It will take time to do that. Yeah, it's need a charging. When it's full, I will put this battery back into the air dot. This one is also not now 9%. I think the battery is full now. This is very small battery. I had to be very careful because these batteries are lithium batteries and very violent. As you can see, now this one is charging. I had to do the same thing with this one, the other one, and it will start charging as well. See, when I push it on, it shows charging. See, I think I might just tint the pad of this one and it will start charging. Yeah, let's do that. Tinted these pads. I accidentally touched the soldering iron there, and I will put this back inside. Yeah, it's charging. Both of them are charging now. Good to go. I did the same thing with this one, and it's charging as well. And these AirPods are full, that's why, see, they're also charging. They are charging because no charger is connected, because it's charging from the inside the battery. So I'm gonna fix all of them.